Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix PlayStation 5 overheating when playing PlayStation 5 games. Optimal placement is your first line of defense against overheating. Ensure your console sits in an open area, allowing air to circulate freely from all sides. Giving your PlayStation 5 sufficient space, perhaps 3 to 4 inches from any surface, significantly reduces the risk of heat buildup. Dust is a silent enemy for your console's cooling system. Over time, it gathers in vents and on fan blades, trapping heat inside. Gently use compressed air to clear these areas, ensuring a clear path for air intake and exhaust. Performing this simple task every 2 to 3 months after powering off your device can make a significant difference in maintaining optimal temperatures. For persistent overheating, a deeper internal clean may be necessary. Carefully remove the console's side plates to access the main cooling fan. Use a soft brush and compressed air to remove any caked-on dust from the fan and heatsink fins. This more thorough cleaning allows your PlayStation 5's cooling system to operate at its peak efficiency. Old thermal paste on the console's main processor loses its ability to transfer heat efficiently. Replacing it with high-quality, fresh thermal paste is a very effective solution for severe overheating. This task requires careful disassembly and reassembly, so consider seeking professional help if you are unsure. Proper thermal paste application ensures heat moves away from critical components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.